Hey folks, how you doing? It's Chris from Cheap Tech, back again with another video, and something a little bit different today. We're going to be doing a build of a Lego Star Wars BB8 model. Now, I got this given me for Christmas, so I thought I'd do a little bit of a project, do a bit of an unboxing build. Like I say, something a little bit different. So if we look at the back of the box, we can see that the actual figure moves once it's been built, so it should be a bit of fun. And it does come with a little plinth that it will sit on once it's completed. So I'm not going to film everything. I'm going to basically do it in stages. Don't expect to sit for the whole thing. It will take a little bit of time. So let's get into the box and let's see what's inside there. Get the packets out, have a quick look. So as you can see there, we've got 6 sections, 6 packets of Lego bricks. So we'll do it stage by stage. And we've also got the actual instruction manual there in the middle. So as you can see, the instruction manual is quite thick, but it is step by step, so it will get us there eventually. So as you can see there, the 6 packets do 6 different parts. So that's the goal, to do a part at a time, and basically just do an update on the progress, and we should eventually get there in the end. So sit back, put your feet up. Stage 1 coming up. So we've just completed stage 1, and as you can see, it appears to have built the actual bottom of BB8 and a bit of an internal frame. It was quite fiddly, I will admit that. Me and my big fingers and thumbs. We'll just have a quick time check. That section took nearly 38 minutes, so it's now on to the next part. So stage 2 complete, and it appears to have added the inner workings, which should do the main head movement and the little lighter that flicks out. Again, it was quite fiddly, but it's good to see how it's all coming together. Just a quick spin round there. You can see it's quite in depth. And if you turn that spindle there, that's what operates the little lighter mechanism. And the one on the other side does the wobbling movement of the head, and we're on about 26.5 minutes for that one. So now it's on to the stage 3. Okay, so we're halfway through stage 3, so I thought I'd just do a little bit of an update just to show you before the top goes on, so to speak. We've now added the rubber band around the centre pivot point for the head, as you can see there. So it's basically built a cage around the top, so it's feeling very supported now. As you move that side piece there, you can see it wobble in the middle. Okie dokie. So it's starting to come together. I thought I'd just show you, say, before the top went on, so you could see what it was like. And we're going to now carry on with the rest of bag number 3. Just to say, I'll show you there the lighter mechanisms working as well. Okay, so we'll see you at the end of stage 3. So as you can see, folks, the top's now on, which is why I wanted to show you what the inside was looking like before I did that. So it's starting to look a bit more like BB8 now, slowly but surely. Okay, again, this was quite fiddly, quite time consuming. But it's all coming together, it's all feeling pretty solid and sturdy, which is good, as all Lego models feeling very good quality. So we'll just have a quick check on the time for what it took for that part. And there we go, just over 30 minutes. So that was for part 1 and 2 of bag number 3. That's not too bad at all. So say it's coming together as we move on to part number 4. So I'll see you at the end of bag number 4. Okay, so what part bag number 4 has basically done is put the 2 side pieces on. Now these are the parts that will rotate and actually move BB8's head, and also it will pull out the lighter from the front. So it's starting to come together now. It's started to look a bit more like it should. As you can see there, you spin the right hand side round and the lighter mechanism works there. So if we spin it round to the other side, that will do the pivot point in the middle there where the head goes, and inside that middle hole is a little gear mechanism that actually spins round, and then that will allow BB8's head to spin round looking left and right on the model when it's finished. So we're coming up to part number 5. I think we'll just have a quick time check to see how long part number 4 took. I think we're coming up to it now. There we go, and that was a bit longer. 37, nearly 38 minutes. So now on to part 5. Okay, so I've just completed part 5, and we're starting to come to the business end now, and it's basically a BB8 ball. So 37.5 minutes roughly there to complete section 5, or parts bag 5, whatever you want to call it. Just trying to focus a bit there. And yeah, it started to look a bit more like it. The door on the front is on now, as you can see. So what we'll do, we'll just we'll try the lighter mechanism again, just see if it works. There we go. Lovely jubbly. And that spins back in nice and smoothly. The door doesn't automatically shut. Unfortunately, you have to push it shut with your finger. But we're nearly there, folks, so we'll see you at the end of part 6. So we're at the end of the build, guys, and isn't he handsome? As handsome as a Lego robot could be. So he's quite a decent size. There you go, there's his little brother at the front there. But so he's all complete, he's all done. He's looking rather chipper. So as we can see now, there's the head mechanism. It does move a lot easier with the head on, strangely, a bit more weight to it. It was quite tough to turn before. And if we just look at the little stand he's on, and we turn the lighter door there, so that's all working. So to summarise, guys, this has been the Lego BB8, and I would say on average it's took probably about 3¼ hours, something like that in total. I've done it over a couple of nights, and we're just having a final time check. That part there was around 40 minutes, just over. So there you go, guys, something a bit different to watch, and I hope you've enjoyed it, and please give us a thumbs up, and please do subscribe if you'd like to see more of the same. Catch you later.